How to get 2 page in Roblox. First, you have to go to pool, and you have to click this blue button. Of course, I'm gonna get this. You have to click that one as the answer. With this oxygen. Whether you see I'm here, you have to escape it out of here. It's really loud. And then how to get the table. Regular table. That's what is even a funny sound of it. It's a regular table. If you got it, it's turning to green. First, you have to get the giant Miss Doggo. But not only to play, just only have to click. When there's a big roar, you have to put your voice down. That because I don't want you to get scared. Dude, it's getting too long. Sorry, it was too long as this dog. There is it. Giant. Dude. Giant. Giant is a doggo. It's even big. Now you have to go to a launch area. Go a hard zone. Teleport. And then become a dog. And then speed around faster. Right, we don't need any big roars. We're taking almost there. Speed any faster. Right, we're going too down. And now you have to go to the part and you have to get the bang hammer or the flame gun. But you don't need to get died forever. I don't want you to lose them. Building tools. But you have to go there. Bread. I haven't got it. One. So I have an idea. You don't need any speed. You don't need to add any more speed calls. I put this because I don't want to add any more faster. Here we go. You have to get these 2 building tools, but only to get it right. So here we are. Truly sure I like this. But first you have to get these building tools. Add into truss. But you have to resize even big. Bruh. I don't think how can I reach there. using that sprain. Yeah. Girls, you have to die. Priest. Bro, we don't need this checkpoint over there. And then where's that sprain? Where is it? Bro, it's coming up there. So I need to delete that sprain. Where does any go? I don't think where this sprain go. Sorry. Woo. Wow. Priest. Let's see if it works. Definitely works. Building tools. Off. Bane hammer. Bane giver. Okay. You can have these building tools when you are there. It's pretty easy to do. And now you can have that table. Here. And there's half it. If you click it, maybe that will be screaming about it. But look at it over there. Why this straws over there? I need to delete it. I already have this checkpoint there. Okay, this is the end video. See you next time. Bye!